Ma'am, how you feel about Aryan Award and bringing glory to the country?
It's a very, very proud feeling that at the age of 21 he's done a commendable job, and it is really a victory to India, to the parents, and to the entire family, and to the entire uh, group of people, coaches, teachers, whoever has shaped Aryan's future. It's a gratitude that whoever is part of Aryan, it's all because of them he's here today. Thank you so much.
And what do you have to say about the strengthening of Israel and India due to this
So, the strengthening of Israel and India was always in his mind, because he was, as a child, he would, like in history, we would, just generally, so he always wanted, the strong bond, and history was his favorite subject. So then, and he was always aware that Shri Narendra Modi ji went, he was the first prime minister who went and took the initiative. So the first cause what he took in the Goa was say no to drugs, and it was a very clear message that he wanted to pass on to the youth, that having drugs is not cool. To stay away from drug is can be much more cooler. And again, the Indo-Israel was also because he was very, very motivated with the thought of Narendra Modi ji going there and taking up, shaking hands. So he wanted to swim Sea of Galilee and pass his message through his actions, that I take this step further.
lastly, what blessing do you want to give to him in the future?
He God bless him with lots and lots of success, and 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 he's able to achieve whatever is going on in his mind. He wants to swim for more causes. He wants to swim for rain harvest. He wants to swim dams. He wants to, he has so many. So it's all going to be one by one, and it's all planned for another 4 years, which I feel that whatever he's planned for 4 years, he should be achieving it in a defendable manner, in a great manner, and bring victory. आर्यन के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
प्राउड फील कर, हाँ उसके लिए मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करती हूँ क्या उसकी
देश को गौरवान्वित किया, ग्लोरीफाई किया देश के लिए, क्या कहना चाहते
मेरे को
ब्रिंगिंग ग्लोरी टू द कंट्री में गौरव प्राप्त हुआ देश को उसके अचीवमेंट.
As a Nani, she is very, very proud that Aryan has done such a commendable job. Thank you.
सर क्या कहेंगे आर्यन के बारे में जो ग्लोरीफाई किया है, ग्लोरी लाया कंट्री के लिए, उनका जो अचीवमेंट है उसके बारे में?
Yeah, it's definitely, it's a great pleasure to have a wonderful student like Aryan. He is with me for last 4 years. So he joined with me in Forest Club as a breaststroke swimmer. He wanted to do only breaststroke. His main event was breaststroke. Then when he joined with me, I noticed that he, because of wrong technique, there he may not able to succeed. I was trying, not able to improve. Then I switched over to butterfly. I switched over to freestyle. Introduced. Then he got a taste of endurance swimming. Then I noticed he cannot be a good breaststroker. Let him be a good freestyler. Since I trained in first test was done in the intercollegiate competition. It was held at New Bombay. So there he showed his talent. So there he came first in 400 meters freestyle. Then he got a click. That's I can do good endurance swimming. Then we started training. And when we are training, butterfly is the most toughest stroke. So butterfly is strength building, is a power building and core building. So he never used to like, but I said nothing doing. See, this is a base for all the strokes. So I pushed him into butterfly. Now he became a complete swimmer. Then he started doing. First attempt in Goa, he made a record. Then we kept on training. Every day morning 5 o'clock he is there in the pool. 5 to 8 o'clock. Uh, Good endurance training, good sprint training, and then we have good solid fitness. So definitely, that makes a big change on him. Now we got a confidence.
And what about the relation between India and Israel due to this region can be improved or strengthening in the future?
Definitely. It is a every time he swam, some new cause. So India-Israel relationship definitely, see all the people came there to greet him, and then so many people welcomed him. It's a great achievement. One of the best record equaled, the guy who attempted 7 times, but this guy first attempt only he equaled the record. That's a great achievement for India.
Lastly, what's the blessing from your side? Blessing for the future for Aryan?
Of course, yeah, we are we wanted to try for English channel and other attempts we want to make it, and we are trying for one SFI one series which he is given entry. We are preparing for that also. Yes, so.
I think he is one of the new generations who has really inspired the youngsters of today that nothing is impossible, and if you have the determination, you can achieve anything.
You got to work hard for that. He has worked very, very hard. We have been seeing him when he was a kid, but the way he works is unbelievable.
Training from 4 o'clock in the
Training,
morning for 6
yeah.
hours a day,
It's not easy.
and to achieve what he has done at this age, I think it's commendable and brought India's name up in the world.
And his parents also have done a good job. I remember Surjit going out, his wife helping him out. They have done a lot for him.
And do you feel this will strengthen Israel and India relation as well?
Oh yes, of course.
He's created a name internationally now. Earlier he used to do it over here, now international.
Your blessing for the future?
I'm sure
There's no
with
limit.
I'm sure with the way he's working, all the success which he can think of can be his.
Yeah.
He has to keep pursuing his dream and work hard towards it.
Sir, something from your side?
I'll say na, whatever you want to say.
Thank you. Blessings there.
Yes, I know him because we used to go play badminton and gym in the morning. He is always there at least 5 o'clock in the morning and working hard. And what he has done in Israel, that is,
Five and a
Sea
half
of Galilee.
hours. Sea of Galilee. 5.5 hours swimming continuous. Not a joke.
All the
right,
best to
thank
him.
you.
Yeah.
About your achievements, about the people who have helped you out getting this achievement. How was the experience being part of this event?
So, actually, the event specifically that I swam was swimming the Sea of Galilee in Israel for 20.5 kilometers. It took me 6 hours 15 minutes, which is equal to the world record. So, I have equaled the world record. And majorly, the hand behind this is the coaches and my parents who have supported me. First, I would like to thank Rahul sir with my training and Sule sir with the piloting, and also Reddy sir from Forest Club who's currently training me.
So what is about his achievement and about glorifying India?
Okay. Swim was definitely a difficult task because we were swimming in the second lowest water body in the world, and it's a sweet water again. Plus the wind conditions and the weather conditions are very unpredictable there. So you never know how the wind will change, and there are cases of whirlpools in the lake. So there are few cases because when we attempt to swim, there was an incident just a day before where they have lost their life. Definitely it was a very challenging swim. So Aryan, see, it is not a only physical challenge, it is a mental challenge as well, because swimming for 6 hours 15 minutes continuously without any stop or any rest, it becomes more challenging mentally as well. So definitely Aryan took the challenge very royally and he had completed with a strong headed. There was a situation where we were pushed back by the weathers and the winds, because at the end when we were swimming the winds were against us and it was very forceful. It's a nature, we cannot challenge nature, we can just take a permission from the nature and we can attempt this kind of records. But he did it very strong mandately and very strongly.
And do you feel that this can be strengthening the relation between India and Israel as well?
Definitely it will strengthen the Indian-Israel relationship, because as we all are aware that India and Israel share a special bond amongst them, and no one from India have ever attempted this kind of adventure open water swim in Israel. So it was Aryan who took this attempt, being a first Indian to swim in Israel, open water, though it's a swimming Sea of Galilee or the open water. He's the first person to took that challenge, and definitely we were welcomed by the Israeli Swimmers Association and the people around there. They were really happy that we are attempting this kind of event, and in future there will be more, as we are already in talks with the Israeli embassy and the Indian embassy.
Lastly, what basically want to give what kind of blessing for the future?
He's already a blessed child, and I know he is so superb with his mind and the physical and the sacrifices. I want to put a special mention sacrifice, because at this age he's sacrificing his all the greedy things, and he's training hard for that. So definitely he has a long way to go. It is just the beginning of it.
Lastly, what's your take on the future? What are you planning to do ahead? Are you planning for Olympics or some big events also?
Yeah, so Olympics has an event which is 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers of sea swimming. So now only on 7th June I will be swimming the trials for the World Championships. If I come in the top two, SFI is going to send me to Japan for the 5. I'm taking part in the 5 kilometer swim, and my coach thinks the time is really achievable, that I can really do it. So that is my current plan right now.
आर्यन के अचीवमेंट के बारे में क्या कहेंगी? देश को गर्व महसूस हो रहा है?
बिल्कुल मैं आर्यन को शायद उसके आधे हाइट से का था तब से जानती हूँ, उनकी फैमिली को, और आर्यन के साथ ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन नहीं, उनके फादर और मदर के साथ इंटरेक्शन हुआ है. एंड मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को बनाने में परिवार का बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है. उनका डेडिकेशन, उसके फादर का डेडिकेशन, उनकी मदर का, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी आज की तारीख में उसको भी हमको रिकग्नाइज़ करना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स आर्यन का हार्ड वर्क, बट आई विश दैट आवर गवर्नमेंट वुड इनकरेज मोर स्पोर्ट्स पीपल, और बहुत सारे अलग अलग तबके से जो लोग आते हैं स्पोर्ट्स में कुछ करना चाहते हैं, उनको भी सपोर्ट मिले तो अच्छी बात होगी.
इस वजह से इजराइल और इंडिया रिलेशन कितना ज़्यादा रिप्रेजेंट किया वहाँ पे अवार्ड लिया इवेंट में इस तरह.
नो ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू गो, जब कभी भी कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन या स्पोर्ट्स टीम दूसरे देश में जाता है, वहाँ पे खेल कूद में जब जो इसमें भाग लेते हैं, तो अगर अपने देश में से कोई भी जीतता है तो हमें बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है. लेकिन रिलेशनशिप तो दोनों देशों का डेवलप होता ही है, और साथ साथ में पूरे एक्सपोजर मिलते हैं हमारे सब टीम को या हमारे सब स्पोर्ट्समैन वुमेन को. I just want to see Aryan achieve and probably be the Michael Phelps of the world one day, because be one of those top swimmers. No, I am practicing advocate now, and so I can only work on projects where the role is good first of all, and then I don't have to give too many dates. So it has to be a good role, and it has to be worth me coming and shooting instead of going to court, and but otherwise yes, things are going well. Thank you.
अचीवमेंट क्या है, कंट्री को ग्लोरी प्रोवाइड क्या कहते हैं उस अचीवमेंट के बारे में, और जो गर्व लाया है इंडिया के लिए?
सबसे पहले तो ये बहुत खुशी की बात है, इतना छोटा सा बच्चा वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाता है. जो सी ऑफ गैली जो उसने पार किया, जो सचमुच अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्ड है और मेरी शुभकामना है कि सिर्फ ये तो शुरुआत है, आगे भी वो बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड्स बनाएगा और अचीव करेगा और डेफिनेटली अपने शहर अपने देश का नाम रोशन करेगा।
पक्का आर्यन को मैं पहली बार मिला हूँ, एकदम छोटा बच्चा है और इस उम्र में अगर वो कुछ देश के लिए अच्छा काम करता है तो जो बच्चे लोग हैं, यंगस्टर्स है, उसके अंदर एक जुनून पैदा हो जाएगा और 100% इसका उपयोग हमारे यंगस्टर्स के लिए होगा। और ये गेम जो है ये फ़िलहाल इंडियंस लोगों को ज़्यादा उसके बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है, पता नहीं है। इसके माध्यम से अगर पता चलेगा तो बाहर से भी बहुत से लोग, क्योंकि अपने इंडिया को बहुत से बड़ा ऐसा इंडियन कोस्ट है तो उसका उपयोग इस स्पोर्ट्स के लिए होना चाहिए और उसके लिए आर्यन जैसे जो स्पोर्ट्समैन है वो जो काम करते हैं उससे वो बेहतर हो जाएगा।
इंडिया और इजराइल का रिलेशन अगर ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स पर जाते हैं इंडियन कितना मजबूत होता जाएगा?
डेफिनेटली जब एक दूसरे देशों में इंटरेक्शन होता है और इस तरह का मेलजोल होता है, जब बच्चे अपने कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में खेलने को जाते हैं तो डेफिनेटली टाइज बेटर होते हैं कंट्रीज़ और नेशंस के बीच में।
And lastly, blessing from your side for the future of Aryan.
Definitely, I see a lot of potentials in Aryan, and seeing him as a kid and performing in so many competitions, and I was really happy that his parents, have taken a lot of pain and trouble. Because if you see, when I visited the awards and medals that he has achieved, right from the days of his schooling till the day that he set a record, the parents have kept it all very well and displayed it today. That means that shows the interest of the parents. I'm wishing the parents as well as Aryan all the best, and I'm very confident and sure that he would set a world record. Not only a world record in swimming, instead he will gain many more such achievements for the country.
सही
Blessing from your side.
नहीं, सर ने वही बोला है कि आर्यन को 100% हमारी सबकी ब्लेसिंग होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने एक माइलस्टोन रखा है अपने सब इंडियन बच्चों के लिए और 100% वो अच्छा आगे बेहतर काम करेगा और इंडिया का नाम रोशन करेगा।
Thank you, sir.
Aryan's achievement and he has glorified our country.
I'm very much proud of Aryan's achievement. Aryan started swimming when he was kid, and I know him from when he was very small. But he's very hard working and dedicated, and of course, credit goes to his father and mother, both the parents.
And this achievement can strengthen the relationship between India and Israel because he has won the award over there.
Yeah.
What was this award there?
Then this is excellent achievement, but I would like him to go further ahead, and achieve many more,
And what about the blessings you want to give for the future?
Yeah, future, that is what I'm thinking. I want him to achieve, to the international arena, He has a capacity. He's a talented boy.
Thank you. Sir, what did you say about the achievement of Aryan and glorifying India?
I think it's today's youth, and something like that is sensational because the kind of energy, the kind of spirit, the kind of commitment is a huge thing. और वो भी it's not an easy sport कि आप समुंदर में जाके you're swimming, and there are so many things. Like I get scared when I am swimming in the sea, but he swam like 30 kilometers and it's unbelievable. The kind of achievement that he's done is unbelievable, and really, really proud of him. And I think not only me, the whole country, the whole youth, the nation is proud of such a great achievement and selfless. There is no कि ये करके ऐसा नहीं कि he's getting any money or there's any commercial or he's doing an ad. He's just doing it because of the spirit of youth and for a great cause that I think the parents have really nurtured him well, and it's his upbringing that has given him the spirit, and I think a mother is always the soul of a child, and I've lived that moment and I know what she's feeling, and it's a great he's reflecting what she is has put in, and that's it. And parents are the best. A child's upbringing is known by how their parents treat him.
What do you have to say about winning an award in Israel? It will strengthen the relation between India and Israel. Many Indian sport person going over there and winning awards.
I think it's a brilliant achievement. Winning a sport in Israel, any international, achievement is an achievement by itself. Is a glory to our country, and him doing that in another country and glorifying, he's actually the ambassador, brand ambassador for India, and he should be holding the flag. It's,
Blessings from your side for future of India.
absolutely my blessings, my anything from my end that can be done, anything. Like if he wants to dance in the water, I'll make him do that. So yeah, cheers, thank you.
आपका अभी आप आईफा से लौट करके आए हैं, वहाँ पे आपको भूल भुलैया 2 के लिए अवार्ड मिला है, तो उसके लिए कंग्रेचुलेशन।
थैंक यू। उसके लिए मैं अवार्ड लेके आर्यन के लिए आया हूँ, ताकि ये अवार्ड बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। नॉट दैट वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था, बट हमारा अचीवमेंट हो गया है, एंड नाउ दिस इज़ वी सेलिब्रेटिंग। आई थिंक सब जिसने जो भी अचीव किया है उसको आई थिंक सराहा जाना चाहिए, सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए। दैट्स हाउ समबडी फील्स स्पेशल, एंड यस, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड जस्ट कीप वर्किंग and keep going, keep believing in what you're doing. चलते रहेगा। आई थिंक राइट नाउ सत्य प्रेम की कहानी चल रही है, सो there's something interesting coming soon, and we had a great year this year with Pathan, so यार आप लोग के blessings है। Just keep please, something like that should be glorified, highlighted, celebrated, and a young boy like that who's doing something is so sensational. Everybody should come together to support him. Cheers. Thank you.
So, one more thing, if he has to dance in a water, then he needs to have a swimming steps.
Yeah, well, he has to. I'll learn the steps, then I'll show you. Teach him. Cheers. Thank you.
और जो ग्लोरी लाए हैं कंट्री में, जो गौरवान्वित किए हैं देश को, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
भाई किसी भी चीज़ में अगर कोई मेडल लाता है, जो स्पोर्ट्स में किसी भी चीज़ में आगे कर रहा है, वो बहुत गर्व की बात है। और किसी भी फील्ड में अगर कोई ऐसा कर रहा है तो हमें उसको उत्साहित करना चाहिए और उससे प्रेरणा लेनी चाहिए। और बच्चे इसीलिए आए हैं कि उससे मिलेंगे, उसके साथ मोटिवेट होंगे और ये अपने फील्ड में जाएंगे।
बाकी क्या लगता है कि इजराइल जैसे देश में जाके अवार्ड लेना या कोई भी इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स में, तो रिश्ते को कितना मजबूत करता है दो देशों के बीच में?
रिश्ते बहुत मजबूत होते हैं और हमारा देश ही खुद ही बहुत मजबूत होता है, क्योंकि हमारे देश में ऐसे स्विमिंग में हम बहुत पीछे थे और मुझे लगता है कि शायद ये अभी अगला ओलंपिक में हमारा स्विमिंग में ये लेके आएगा।
लास्टली क्या अपनी तरफ से ब्लेसिंग देना चाहेंगे उनके फ्यूचर के लिए? ओलंपिक में भी जाना चाह रहे हैं वो, प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं।
मैं तो बस यही दुआ करता हूँ कि भगवान करे वो ओलंपिक में गोल्ड मेडल लाए और हमारे देश का नाम रोशन करे, और अभी भी वो नाम रोशन कर रहा है।
सर थैंक यू। आप लोग कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? आप लोग करते हैं क्या? हम तो
क्रिकेट खेलते हैं।
आप MS धोनी।
थैंक यू।
विराट कोहली।
Sir, what you have to say about Aryan's achievement and glorifying?
Well, see, Aryan's parents and my mom are like brothers and sisters. I love Aryan. I love his sister also. Aryan has just broken the world record. I hope he takes this country to a new level. The swimming that he's doing is helping us gain our freedom in this sport. So best of luck to him. He's a rocking guy. I love you. Thank you.
और मेरे हिस्से की सारी इंग्लिश इसने बोल दी और
Yes.
इसके हिस्से की सारी हिंदी मैंने बोल दी।
That's right. Love the Tomar Nekash, baby. Let's go. And best of luck, Aryan. We love you. We do. You rock, buddy. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Somebody else.
Sir, what do you say about Aryan's achievement?
I think I know the Aryan from the Loknavala complex, the young boy who's created a history even before. But now he has created the world record, and I remember his interview when I had taken long back. Now I think so once again I had to take it, and we are very proud of him and wish him all the best.
And what is his future? I mean, he's preparing
Of course, he is going to create a lot of history, maybe like not to be surprised to see him sometime in Olympic or Asia or somewhere, and we wish him all. Thank you so much.
about Aryan's achievement and glorifying the country.
He's making us proud and achieving good thing for India.
एंड आई थिंक हमें ऐसे यंगस्टर्स चाहिए जो हमें प्राउड फील करवाए, हमारी कंट्री को और नाम दे और प्राउड ले आए कंट्री को.
Or this can, strengthen the relation between Israel. He have gone to Israel and won the award. तो इंडियन स्पोर्ट में जाते हैं, वो अवार्ड लेते हैं, तो a great thing for making.
I think it makes a mark for a country, and they know that it's great to have sports, sports making a mark to a country.
What about you? What going on professional? You're working on a project right now.
Right now, as of now, no. I'm on a break.
मैम ने बोल दिया, बस खत्म कहानी. हम क्या बोल सकते हैं?
आप ही हिंदी में बोलते हैं.
कांग्रेचुलेशन आर्यन के लिए, बस कीप गोइंग ऑन.
Thank you.